So,
Tu pas prendre aller là. You want café, you want pain
you
tout.
want drinks?
You pain?
Yeah, you can pay me.
Café à pain.
Yeah, like sandwich.
Non, mon cher. Il y a Manba.
Peanut butter sandwich, nou ka toujou ale nan...
Dis-moi, on va acheter un pain ou vendre café au côté. Pas de vendre café sans pain, non, bro. Check it out, like,
Where I can tell them people fucking need to pass out.
before they don't go for it.
You said, so you approve.
Alright guys, welcome back. This is Cleef and Manba.
Welcome back with another video.
So, comme nous devons finir, we back. On got some
Ça c'est, on dit comme ça, on dit mon yo pour your stream.
Yeah.
But all that counts is showing up, right? Tout ça côté, c'est parce que nous retournons. C'était un break.
Nous on break.
On a discuté ça.
Parmigiano. Allons même là, il y a des endroits à faire du sport, ça s'appelle.
Guys, why is it testing me like that? Keep on them clip.
Bel petit garçon, comme dans Marzano là, on a encore des petits garçons encore. Comme nous voyons belle.
So,
Tu pas prendre aller là. You want café, you want pain tout.
You want drinks?
You pain?
Yeah, you can pay me.
Café à pain.
Yeah, like sandwich.
Non, mon cher. Il y a Manba.
No.
Oh, bien Manba, mon cher.
But tu besoin peanut butter sandwich, nou ka toujou ale nan...
Dis-moi, on va acheter un pain ou vendre café au côté. Pas de vendre café sans pain, non, bro. Ou vendre café au côté. Tu vends pain, man. Pour ça, vendre café ou vendre pain de l'autre côté. Là, ça reste, mon cher. On descend là, bon, machin.
Ou ben, pou nou te vini apen nou.
On descend bon, madame Jean là, bon. Tout gen pain, tout gen café, tout côté, bon. Moi, café en côté, pain en côté, bah, ça make sense, non.
C'est comme ça, lié.
Descend bon, madame Jean là, bon.
I hope Starbucks sa nou ka entran dan, se pa seulement drive thru.
Un bon café, un
I
bon
wouldn't think so.
Un bon café, un bon petit pain.
Well, what di moun yo ki so apren pa dote nan break lan? What did you
Ah,
do?
apren nan, mwen seman apren. I'm tuning on social media, so da apren nan apren shit. Like, shit.
You want coffee or you want something else?
Ha? Kafe de weke pi a Manba. E sa pa pi a Manba?
Oh, they have an island colada. That's sweet stuff. Or chocolate milk. What kind of milk? I'll do the oat milk. I can do any kind of milk you want. 2% whole, almond, soy, coconut.
I don't know.
Just. It's gonna be a quick question there first.
E mo di pain tou. Ki pain?
2 sandwiches. They're like egg and turkey bacon.
Egg juice?
These people are so expensive. So I didn't get coffee for me. I got like a drink.
Sa di moun vle touye.
Baby, vle tou bezon kafe che.
Sa wap kafe ya.
I didn't buy me coffee. That's the only reason. They have good coffee. But you know, I'm not a big fan.
What are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna get the real estate done.
Okay.
Today's
So,
the day. I get the 100 questions.
okay.
Nobody.
And then me, I'm gonna get some client work done.
Yeah.
Because I already got the money, so.
Yeah, they already, but get the shit done.
So kom la vasi la. De moun a fin pe yo kom la fin nou, so te gat sok travay.
Like so la couple tabi.
Moun la kom moun a tabi yo pou travay. E mbe a wasa swag am swag kom la. Ou vwe wak so la.
Kake kombe, wemwe 50% ho la ba.
Moun a kom
These
ite.
guys,
$10
are you still recording? Okay, so
Or
we're
voting
on
soda.
a 50-50.
Kafe glase. Am fèm ba sa. Mwen bwe kafe, mwen baka bwe kafe. Si mwen bwe dlo men. Si mwen bwe kafe, mwen baka bwe kafe gen.
Okay, let's drink my beanie, maybe we can switch.
Right, yeah.
You don't like this?
Ale la kou kafe a men nan.
I don't know. I'm probably gonna drink this. I said I didn't like coffee.
Sa wè de ou manje pwa fò bay la vire aske. Manje kom moun yo.
Quando stats for vai gats lá.
Am sens mwen fè gratis men. Kon la manse ou sou fè manche Starbucks sa.
You don't like it?
Da pi ale si do bi a mwen bak. Ou mwen ala mwen ba la mwen trip.
O trip mais com café show.
Ale si mwen. Mwen manje wè ala mwen ba. Wè sa kwa ala mwen ba. Sa kwa ala mwen ba.
Why ela mamba?
Oh yeah.
Why ela
Nice
mamba?
and- Hold on, wait. You don't know?
Yeah, why ela mamba?
Sa kwa ala wè?
Why ela? Eu vou meter mamba lá dentro. Oi.
Alright guys, this is... Huh? Oh, okay guys. Sorry, na poche map tabay sou li ya. This is a model content. Look. Boko fe... Kon sa what's that model color grading now. So yeah, this is where we're at. Let me show y'all. Oh, y'all can hear it. Say by un son. Let's me get custom to everyone. So yeah, ça n'a fait avec ça nous le projet.
Okay, so I'm taking my final exam on the real estate. That's the 100 questions. You gotta show them. Man, the 100 question, that's the final. That's exactly what I'm doing.
Okay, let's get to work then.
All right. I don't know if it's the video, but it looked a little white. Looks a little white. You know, I'm trying to send the inquiries.
Fini ça là.
Let me watch it.
Oh, you gotta do the call.
Color grading.
Do you like the song?
Yeah, I like the song and the video's good. But I wish you could like you know what I'm saying?
But what's happening this still back? It doesn't respond on that video, right?
Depois eu vou passar mal avec pass. Alright.
Well solutions.
The final test on my real estate.
On board you do that.
Ang bagay lá.
I
I
got
deserve 50. Hindi ba may sabot kids doon ang doon?
No. Alright guys, I'm gonna push it. Então eu sou lá. Depois que final the kids lá, we gotta do the color grading and everything, and then we gotta do sound effect too. Kone page proje sound effect. Look at the timeline. Timeline nan pou voun an la non? Pase ne pou mette sound effect and everything. So this is basically where we at. Magic kitchen after. We got RPG, we got my chest, we got. This stream's gonna be crazy, guys. So y'all be better with it.
Oh my god. Maybe it's the parasite. Maybe I have the parasite. Did you know urinating is contagious? Wait, o fatigado.
Wait, come on. So
I want Jimmy Jones. Can I have Jimmy Jones?
I can't have Why I call this Jimmy Jones?